Quants is difficult. Not at all. Quants is the easiest of the subjects in CAT. And I'm going to prove it to you by solving 3 questions that have come in CAT 22 without even lifting my pen.
So this one came in CAT 2022. Looking at the equations, you can add them, subtract them, and then you can solve them. It's not that hard. But if you don't know that, so the first thing that you might notice is that since A and B are natural and the answers are 10, 8, 7 and 9, it seems like B is greater than A because A square AB plus A is 14, B square AB is 28. So B is greater than A and all the answers are positive. So probably A and B are both positive. Let's take first A as 1 and B as 2. Now, if you add 2A plus B, it does not suffice. So we have to reject this answer. Next one is that A is 2, B is equal to 2. Though we have supposed that B is greater than A, let's take A equal to 2, B equal to 2. This comes with the answer as 2A plus B as 6. So probably this also isn't correct. Now, let's take B is equal to 3. So 2A plus B is equal to 7. So one of them, the options are sufficing. So we will now play with A square plus AB plus A. So you will see A square is 2 into 2, 4. AB is 2 into 3, 6 plus 2. So 4 plus 6 plus 2, 12. No, this is not equal to what we are looking for. So let's take A equal to 2, B is equal to 4. This also is sufficing because 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, 8. And now let's put it in the equation. A square plus AB plus A, which is 4 plus 2, 8 plus 4. So it is 14. So the first equation suffices. Let us try if it is working for the second or not, and it is working for the second equation. So what I intend to say, even if you don't know how to solve it, you can play with the numbers.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
Geometry questions, I will advise you that if something is difficult or does not fall into the place, always make this graph, make this grid and try it out once. Many a times it will fall into place and you need not solve the problem at all.
Another CAT 2022, parallelogram with ABCD. Now we know parallelogram bisects each other. We know what to do with A and C and B and D's coordinate to find the answer. But let's say that I don't know anything about parallelogram. So I will draw a graph, a basic graph that everyone knows from standard 6 or 7. Everyone is taught this. Now what I will try to do is plot what I know. I know A, 1, 1, which is there. Now we'll plot B, 3, 4. 3 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. So there it is. Now we want to plot C. C is minus 2 and 8. So minus 2 is minus on the x-axis and 8 on the positive y-axis. So it is right there. Now we'll try to join each other. Now A, B, C, we know. Now this is a parallelogram. So A and D would be parallel to B and C. So let's draw a parallel line. And there you go. Our answer, D's answer would be in the negative quadrant of X. So of course, 2 options go right out of the window. Which are those? Can you guess? Of course, option number C and option number A goes right out of the window because those are both in the positive axis. Now we have to understand whether this is B or D. In order to do that, you see that A and B, the difference in the X coordinate is around 2. Right? So I would think that the difference in the X coordinate between C and D should at least be 2, if not more. So the option number B, where the X coordinate is minus 3, seems a little too close to me. So that is why I will mark D as the answer, minus 4, 5.
I'm not even sure why this question has come up. Average and what is the least number? Very silly.
This is a CAT 2022 question. 3 integers, their average is 13. So if their average is 13, the sum would be 13 into 3, which is 39. Now I want to add another number n so that the average of these four numbers is equal to odd. So again, I will play with the options. 39 plus 140 by 410. So it's not even an even number. Let's go with 3. 39 plus 3 42. 42 by 4. It is not, the average is not a integer itself. We'll go to the next one. So that is 39 plus 4. 43 by 4. Again, does not work for us. So there is only one thing left. Just test it out. 39 plus 5. 44 by 4. 11, which is an odd number. Crazy.
So if you need more content of this nature where you need not apply much of yourself and get the 3 marks, follow me for more.